Alright, seems like we're done. The engine is clean, degreased, and the only thing left for me is to paint it. So now what I have to do is to, oh god, cover up all those surfaces where the paint will go. I don't really want paint to go into the engine, into the crankshaft bay, or this hole where the clutch lever goes. So I'll cover those holes and we're good to go. Fucking god, I feel so dizzy, Jesus Christ. Works amazing. Mission complete. Okay, the generator itself doesn't touch anything around it. You see, this is a sealing ring, but a very big one. It seals that environment. It doesn't allow any piece of dust or whatever sand to get inside this mechanism, because those brushes need to be clean all the times. Alright. Alright, one last time. Hopefully I will never need to disassemble this engine ever again.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Oh my god, why do you do this to me right now? Can you fucking stick to this surface already?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
6.5 hours later.
Oh yeah. Glued to the surface, like charm. God damn, I love it. Exactly what I want. Yes. Ой, я ешь интро датом мыкта. Sometimes sealing rings just refuse to sit in the place they are designated to be, and you have to give them a little push. And give it a few final taps. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Woo! Piston in, cylinder on. Crew's happy. Okay, let's check the compression. Now I'm very curious about one thing. I want to feel the compression. Ooh. Holy shit, this is nuts! God damn, the compression is wild! Okay, let's keep going, guys. Fuck off. Постоянно, блядь, ще вас багает. Сука. Охренеть, блядь, пиздец, нахуй, сука. Не треба на тебе май Марисом, бан. Stop crying like a little bitch. Danny Chris is gonna be back very soon.